Well, I'm glad everybody can get out and about today and not freeze. 56 is the forecast high. However, we will have some very strong winds. And then tomorrow, after the cold front comes through, maybe a flurry. We're putting 39, but let's plan for the 20s. Upper 20s is what you have to plan for your St. Patrick's Day. And then as we get into next week, a slow warm up. Tuesday, spring begins at 10:06 at night, and temperatures will be above average on Tuesday, even into Wednesday. But right now, we are following this cold front. It's not about the rain that we see in Green Bay. That's going to slide over the lake to Michigan. Cloud cover, yes, but it's the big wind shift that's going to be taking place here early this afternoon. So we want to plan for that. Right now this morning, we have a strong southwesterly wind component. That's the warming taking us into the 50s. Then when we get to noontime, so in the city, if you're going to the St. Patrick's Day Parade, boy, those winds, 30, 35 miles per hour, starting to turn westerly. Then the front is through, and this afternoon, it's a stiff northwest wind. That's when we could see those gusts 35, even 40 miles per hour. And the winds are going to be with us on Sunday as well. Here's the Southside Irish Parade wind forecast. Northwest winds 20 to 25, maybe some 30 mile per hour gusts. And then going through the afternoon, still a gusty day. So those winds are going to really make it feel colder once the front comes through, especially during the day on Sunday. On Sunday, we better plan for the 20s. Here's 8 in the morning, feeling like 21. The temperature will be 31, but at noontime, when the parade steps off on the south side, 27 is what it feels like for the temperature with those stiff winds. So for today, we will reach the middle 50s until that front comes through. That sets up some chilly changes heading into tonight. And tomorrow, our model is giving us some flurries, so let's watch for that. And those flurries are on St. Patrick's Day. Only 39, feeling like 29. So windy and cold for us, but spring begins on Tuesday.